Okay, everyone, you have been asking me to film this recipe for years, and I'm finally going to do it for you. This is my Thai chicken salad. Started with some pre-shredded carrot, just bought from the grocery. Had a little bit of this left over. Coleslaw mix, I'm going to throw that in. Just opened it like 2 days ago. Why is there already a brown piece? I chopped up some red bell pepper strips. They don't need to be pretty. This is just for my lunch. It does not matter what that looks like at all. Next, we have green onions. And I just cut mine. I like them in big pieces. I want to taste what's in my salad. So I just chop big chunks. I did wash those. I don't know if I mentioned that. Cilantro. I just take a big handful of it. And I only chop it a few times. I like a lot of that flavor. If there's some left over, that's great. A little diced mango. They didn't have fresh, so I bought the one in the can. And then this chicken, which I bought rotisserie chicken from the grocery store. So I'm just chopping that up into big pieces or little pieces, whatever you want, but just enough so that I get a little bit in every bite. So that goes in. That's how I cheat at making dinner. And the last thing to go in is the seasonings. So I do a little bit of ground pepper. Almost out of dried ginger, but I have a tiny bit left. I'll just use that up. I always find that like celery salt is good in salads. I'm sorry, celery seed. I don't salt my food. I find mostly everything is already too salty for me. I am going to put in a little bit of olive oil just so the Thai fish sauce I bought isn't so dominating and strong. And then I normally use this Tamari, which is gluten-free soy sauce, but I have a little bit of Citrus Ponzu left from my fridge. So I'm going to use that. And then this Vietnamese sweet fish sauce dressing, and I just glug that on. And then I like a little bit of sweet chili sauce on mine. I'm out of red pepper flakes, and if I had that today, I would put a few in for some zazz. That's it. And just stir it up. And that is lunch. Believe it or not, it's better after it sits for an hour in the fridge. But today I'm actually going somewhere, so I'm just going to take this with me. Could sprinkle in a few sesame seeds. Oh, I know what I forgot. Hold on. I have nuts. So I have a whole jar of cashews here. I'm going to put some of those in. I like them better than peanuts. And then I even got yesterday some crispy onions. I'm going to throw those in for some crunch too. Okay, that's the salad. I hope you all make it, and I hope you really enjoy it. Thank you.